Let's meal prep some Dollar Tree breakfast enchiladas. I meal prep as a means of saving time and money, and this was probably one of the best meal preps I've made in a while. Because it's from Dollar Tree, these enchiladas are eggless, but if you've got eggs, that's a good way to bulk them out even further. I started by grating some cheese. I used a combination of cheddar and pepper jack, and shrinkflation hit Dollar Tree recently because the pepper jack is now a 3-ounce block when it used to be a 4-ounce block. I also cubed up a bag of steak-cut french fries, which I actually had the forethought to thaw beforehand, making this process a lot easier. Moving over to the skillet, I browned 2 rolls of breakfast sausage. Each roll is 7 ounces, so this was about a pound of sausage. And once fried up, I added some peppers. These were my leftover frozen peppers from the day I made the Dollar Tree French onion soup, and I sorted out 2 bags of frozen pepper stir fry into the onions and the peppers. My peppers were also thawed because I was really on top of my planning ahead game today. Now this is just what I had on hand, but for the sake of the price breakdown, I'm going to use 1 bag of pepper stir fry. In goes 1 can of drained rotel, and I let this all saute together over medium-high heat until any extra liquid had evaporated off. I removed my sausage and pepper mixture, leaving the drippings in. I did add some extra oil for frying my potatoes, and I fried those until they were crispy. I combined the sausage and potato mixture together in a bowl, and honestly, this alone would have been a really hearty meal prep, just topped with a fried egg. But continuing on, I warmed up a can of refried beans in the microwave with a splash of water to thin them out, and then we are ready to assemble our enchiladas. I have a pack of flour tortillas, and I spread some beans on each tortilla and added about 1/3 cup of my sausage hash mixture, and I rolled those up. I included 2 enchiladas per meal prep, and I had 2 cans of enchilada sauce, but I only ended up needing 1 can. I split the 1 can between all 6 of my meal preps, and then I topped them all with my shredded cheese. These are then ready to pack up and store, so you can either keep it in your fridge for 5 days or throw some in the freezer. Just be sure to thaw them before reheating for the best results. To reheat, pop a corner and microwave it for 90 seconds. Now here's the part where I taste my creation for the first time to see if it's good or if I just wasted an hour of prep time, and it turned out fantastic. See my happy dance here. Now, whether I actually had the forethought to thaw everything or I actually intended to make these 2 days ago and got too lazy to do it and then stuck everything in the fridge for future me to deal with, the world may never know. But the total cost to make this was $11.25 for 6 breakfast preps, coming out to less than $2 per meal prep.